better setup. Get ready with me. With my friends in the background. Random feet in my background. Bakit sino nagsabi sa'yo? Alas 6 gumising ka na.
Nag-staycation ganit, tapos mo matataglit. So guys, get ready with me.
Balik. Ano ginagawa mo? Sana all. Walang ikaka-fresh tayo dito sa blemishes natin. Walang ikaka-fresh tayo dito sa blemishes natin. Maybe it's Maybelline. Ako yung red kasi sabi ko, sa makeup artist ng Victoria's Secret, the most natural looking blush is red. Kasi red man ang veins ng iyong face. My ever reliable NARS concealer.
Oh, the marketplace bag!
Yeah! Gutom na ako, be. I am all about highlights at this point in my life.
Blinding lights.
Blinding baka mo. So, let's do a new lipstick. I got this as a gift. Oh, okay na yung itsura ko. It smells so good. It smells like candy. I love the applicator. Let me dress up. Oh, hi, guys! This is it. Me in my gown. This is my perfume for today. It's a perfume bomb from Tambourines. The scent is Botari. It's actually a sample that I got when I bought my Burga Sandal Tambourines perfume. Oh my god! Ala, ang bango! Show them your outfit. Cute!
Fisherman.
Oh my god. Bango-bango. Going to do my everyday beads. Evil eye para for the bad juju. And then we have a pearls, my pearls and my rose quartz to find love with a 9 fox tape. Ano ba yun? Ewan ko. Ikaw na, amoy mo? How's that? Wow, amazing! See, mabango daw, abot sa labas. Okay, bye-bye na lang.